What's going on, guys? It's your boy Nanu Garage here. In today's video we are driving our Cadillac CTS-V, doing another POV drive. We have another POV driving video, but I wasn't really talking in it. So in this video I'm just gonna be talking about the car, obsessing over it and driving it how I like to drive it usually when I'm around on these city streets. So it may look weird because in the second half we're going to get into a continuation of the video where I'm like obsessing over the tires on this car and the new tires that I put on and how good they are. So let's hit the road and let's get into the drive. It's a beautiful day out here in sunny California, so let's hit this thing down into the track mode. In our manual mode, we're going to hit our manual button over here. I just love shifting my own car. Man, this thing really kicks. Absolutely love this thing. The supercharger kicks that power on instant, and the brakes are phenomenal on this car too. The brakes are just really amazing, and you guys may or may not have been able to hear it from this clip right here, but there's like a slight crackle when you're hitting downshift on the exhaust. Did you guys just see that? Like, it's nuts how fast this thing is. Like, you put your foot down for like half a second and you're already just flying at some really ridiculous speeds. But supercharged V8, this thing sounds fantastic, feels fantastic, and the power is so linear too when it kicks on. So it's this thing, it's like, I really don't know how you cannot just love this vehicle. And then when you want it to be comfortable, flick it up into the tour mode. The exhaust quiets down just a pinch. The suspension feels extremely smooth. Steering is a lot more smooth. And this thing is like a luxury vehicle. It is absurd. It is really absurd how awesome this car is. There's many other cars in its competition, and I go in depth about how this car drives in another video, so click the pop-up banner if you want to see that video too, where I'm mashing it in a back road. That one is not really fully filmed from the POV angle. This one's just pure driving and entertainment and enjoyment. And as you can see, first gear we didn't really hook right there, but as soon as we hit up in a second, we hooked. And of course, this guy's going mega slow. Woo! Alright, also make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and help me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can start making money on YouTube. As you can see, our gas is very low, so help me buy a tank of gas, please. I would really appreciate it. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I love making content for you guys. It's just, how could you not love making content when you can do like this? Whew! It's so much fun, the filming part of this. So now we're gonna try to turn our TC off, and we will see how it hooks up right here. It's not the best pavement, but we'll see. Second gear from 30 miles per hour. Man, so we hooked up really well, man. I'm really impressed with these tires. They're fantastic. They're really, really good, these 4S's. On the Super Sports and my Shelby Gt350, I am not at all able to hook up with those. Yes, they do have a track day on them, but those things just don't hook up like this. Oh my god, and this thing on shifts sounds so sick. All right, so this brings us to the end of today's YouTube video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. I'll really appreciate every single one of you guys. We got plenty of epic content planned for the future and many epic cars up in the garage, so I know you guys will absolutely love it. So like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see all y'all in the next video. Peace.